Hey everyone, welcome to the ICGUY. In this video, I'm going to give you an introduction to operators in C++. In a lot of circumstances, you want to subtract, multiply, or divide some numbers, so you have to use math operators. If you want to print out the result of a summation, you just see out the phrase like this. See out, for example, 5 plus 1. Now we can run it. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. You can easily change the operator to minus to subtract two numbers like this. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, just like this. You can also multiply two numbers using an asterisk. For example, 5 times 5 equals 25. To divide two numbers, you can use a slash. So 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20. Okay, this is how you see out a math operation. But in most of the times, you want to store them inside a variable and do your operation with variables. So in this case, I'm going to declare two variables, an integer plus a double, to store floating points. Now you can easily do your math operation just by calling the variable's name without putting them inside two double quotations. So I want to multiply these two numbers. So when I run, you can get the result. You can also divide them as well. All right, thanks for watching. In the next video, we are going to build a calculator using math operators. Till then, take care of yourself and goodbye.